Hi there, my name's James from Funkification, and I'm here to give you a quick demonstration of what our company does. Basically, what we aim to do is to take bland documents and make them look funky and fantastic. So, best way to show you this is with an example. So, on the left we have a presentation for a conference by big data expert and Funkification co-founder Suresh Sood. So, this is a fine presentation. Let's have a quick flick through it. You know, it's what you'd expect from a PowerPoint presentation. It features graphs and graphics and, you know, sources of information from various places on the web. But anyway, let's head quickly back to the start, because on the right you will see a version that has been funkified. So yeah, sure, the cover page looks a fair bit better, doesn't it? But you know, what you will find as we scroll through our funkified version is that a lot of the content is all pretty much the same. We have added a little bit here and there, as you can see on this page 3 from the PowerPoint. We've actually used or taken important parts of the two articles and put them in here. And importantly with these, we have links throughout wherever possible, so that, you know, our presentations probably add more depth in the fact that you can follow these up. So let's continue the comparison. And yeah, one thing noticeable from the comparison of the funkified version is it's probably, you'd think, more cohesive in the fact that it's more aesthetically pleasing and everything matches in better ways than the PowerPoint presentation. And that's just the way things happen sometimes. So we'll continue looking through this here so you can get a better idea of what we can do. Now, one thing this presentation lacks is videos, but when we're looking to create documents or presentations, we look to use videos as much as possible in there. So obviously having multiple forms of media that you can interact with, you know, makes things more appealing. So we'll continue looking through here at the differences between the two. Yeah, so this gives you a good idea of, you know, of what we can offer and what we can do. Again here, rather than taking screenshots of articles, we've just repeated the important parts of the articles and included links with them instead. Yeah. Where necessary, we've replicated, you know, good graphics, yeah, and of course included the link of where the original material came from. So yes, and we'll quickly continue flicking through our funkified version. But I think you get the idea. But one important aspect of what we do in funkification, and we'll go quickly back to the top here, is that other presentations we make are useful for multiple devices. So let's have a play around with this screen size if we can, but we can't. You can see it'll readjust itself automatically depending on the screen size. So this could be very much a mobile screen width there, and you can see how it's reformatting itself for a narrower screen. But then obviously, you know, we could have it very much for a desktop screen like so, and then again it will reformat itself into an appealing layout depending on whatever screen you're viewing from. So that's very useful because, yeah, a lot of the time people these days prefer mobiles, but PDFs and PowerPoints and a lot of these other documents aren't very useful for reading on those devices unless you want to be scrolling in and out of them all. Anyway, I've given you a little bit of a taster of what we do at Funkification, so if you'd like to know more, just head to our website and look us up and get in touch, and we'll be more than happy to help. So thank you very much for your time. Cheers.